Today we'll talk about how can you change your password on your eToro app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click here in this sign, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings, you click on it. So then you come to this list, it's going to show for you like this here. So then you just click here on account, you click on it here. You come to next step here, then you go down, you click here on change. So then here add your current password, enter your new password, thank you, confirm here password, you click here on send, then it's going to add with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.